Are you passionate about plants and nature? Do you want to turn your love for gardening into a career? Look no further. Germany offers a wide range of opportunities through the Ausbildung in Gardening program. In the Ausbildung in Gardening program, you'll receive hands-on training from experienced professionals in the field. You'll learn everything from planting and tending to irrigation and landscape design. This comprehensive program will equip you with the skills and knowledge to excel in the world of gardening. With Germany's rich botanical heritage, this program will expose you to a wide variety of plants and landscaping techniques. You'll have the chance to work in stunning gardens, greenhouses, and nurseries, where you'll get to witness the beauty of nature up close. But it's not just about the plants. Ausbildung in Gardening also focuses on sustainable practices and environmental conservation. You'll learn how to create and maintain eco-friendly landscapes, making a positive impact on our planet. And the best part? Once you've completed the program, there's a high demand for skilled gardeners in Germany. You'll have the opportunity to work in public parks, private gardens, or even start your own landscaping business. So, if you're ready to unlock the green world and turn your gardening passion into a successful career, join the Ausbildung in Gardening program in Germany. Enroll today and start your journey into the fascinating world of gardening. Language Pro handles it all for you. From managing paperwork to providing German language training and assisting with visa documentation, we've got you covered.